Alright, so we have Insta360. Are you ready for the adventure?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hello and welcome to Glide World. My name is Mike Glide.
And I'm Grace Glide, and today we're gonna be visiting winter lights in Canary Wharf.
Yay! Let's go! Okay guys, so we're at Canary Wharf. Here we go. Where are we now?
We are in Crossroad Place, which is like a rooftop garden.
Loads of plants, loads of plants. Yeah, the plants. Shall we find the bench bamboo? There's golden bamboo and then there is a black bamboo. You know about plants?
Don't know. You can try my app, Snap a Plant.
Snap a plant, alright, come on then.
Alright.
Okay.
If you ever wondered what plant you come across, you just open your phone, snap a picture, and that's it. It's done. It will tell you exactly what it is, and then you can research it more.
That's the tip for today.
Snap the bamboo.
Snap the bamboo. Okay.
Here, cane.
What?
Cane.
Cane?
So this whole building is just a shape of a ship, which they were used to bring plants to London from exotic
So you need
journeys.
to snap more plants.
Just doesn't
Come on,
like-
snap this one, snap this one. Come on, snap it, snap it, snap it. Alright. Facea japonica. Facea.
Yeah, and it actually gives you the link to Amazon.
It's only £28. That dollars.
Dollars.
Wow. Oh yes. Oh yes. How much is that plant? Come on, guess.
£500.
Wait. Are you saying this plant is £500?
No, it doesn't. That's what it says.
Guys, this plant is £500. It costs £500. So what you're saying is that that big plant costs $28 and that small plant is £500.
That's how it seems like.
This is insane, guys, and it's like growing like
Tiny.
yeah, it's so tiny. Oh yes.
Done.
£1,000? Come on, say it's £1,000.
$5.49.
Oh, that's disappointing. Fancy light. Oh, let's do that one. Let's do that one. Another fancy light. Oh, I can't see your face. If you want your face to be pink, that's how you do it, guys. Let's go do a 360 in the tunnel.
Are you gonna show your 360?
Yeah, that's my 360. Here we go.
On a fishing rod.
On the fishing rod. That looks so cool.
So today Mike is testing his 360 Insta new camera.
So that is the neon lights.
Really nice.
Really nice, really nice. So that's the bra tree.
So the bra tree is just to raise awareness of the breast cancer, and here there's the pod where you can tap your credit card and it will give the donation to the breast cancer now, which is really good cause.
And that is the fountain.
The music fountain.
The music fountain. And this is Mountain of Lights. Here we go.
Here's the Dito light
Detail lights.
up there. So we're queuing up to get into it to have a look inside.
Yeah, there's a huge queue, so we have to queue up for it. Okay, let's go in, let's go in.
So Canary Wharf winter lights are happening each and every year.
And if you want to know more, we're gonna put all the links down below in the description, so check it out. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe, like this video, and we will see you guys later.
See ya!
See ya!